Good morning, my dear children. Let us learn maths. In maths, we finished up to number 300. Today we are learning numbers from 301 to 500. Okay, it's very easy to write now. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310. Likewise, 311 to 320, 321 to 330, 331 to 340, 341 to 350, 351 to 360, 361 to 370, 371 to 380, 381 to 390, 391 to 400, sorry, 391 to, you have to write up to 400, okay. Then next is 401 to what? 401 to, here it is 410, okay. Like this you have to write 411 to 420, 421 to 430, 400, I write here. Next 411 to 400, here it is 10, here it is 20, 420, after 20, 21 to 430, 400, after 30, 31 to 440, after 440, 451, sorry, 441 to 450, 451 to 460, 461 to 470, 471 to 480, 481 to 490, 491 to 500, okay. Like this you have to fill numbers up to 500. Today all of you write up to 500, okay. Then next let us see hundreds, tens and ones. Hundreds, tens and ones. You know to write hundreds and tens. If you have a 2-digit number, if you have 22, you know to split this into ones and tens. How do you write? Here you write ones and here you write tens. So you split like this, 2 ones and 2 tens, okay, 2 ones and 2 tens. And if you have 111, that is 3-digit number, 1, 1, 1. How many digit? 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, okay. Then here you write ones, here you write tens. The next place is hundreds place. So we will write H. If there are 3 digits we can split the number into ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So we read this 111. What you will read this? 111. 111 you read. Okay. Then let us do the next one. 134. See here, you can see 4 squares, 4 ones, and 3 tens, 3 group of tens, and this 100. How many hundred? 100. Okay. So let us split this into 100, 1, and tens. Okay. Look at the board, all of you. Next given number is 134. In this, here we will write ones, and here we will write tens, and here we will write 100. So we can write 4 ones. How many tens? 3 tens. And how many hundred? 100. 100. Okay, like this we can split the number. Then if the number is 248, how do you split? First, let us write ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, and hundreds. Then see, how do you split? 8 ones, 4 tens, and how many hundreds? This is hundreds place. 2 hundreds. Then we will write 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. Okay. 8 ones, 4 tens, 2 hundreds. 8 ones, 4 tens, 2 hundreds. Then you have to fill this abacus. Okay, let us write abacus. Let us try abacus. 3-digit numbers on the abacus. See, first number is given 101. First number is given 101. Then see, there are 3 digits. So we have to draw 3 spikes on the abacus. We have to draw 3 spikes, and we have to mark ones, tens, hundreds. Then see, here also you write ones, tens, hundreds. Then how many ones? 1, 1. So you draw 1 bead. And how many tens? 0 tens. So no tens. Then how many hundreds? 100. How many hundreds? 100. So you draw 1 more bead. Okay, like this you can show on abacus 101. Then let us draw 233. 233. Next number I am going to draw 233. Next, I am going to draw which number? 233. Then ones, tens, hundreds. Draw abacus, 3 spikes and mark. Here it is ones. Which is this? Tens. Which is this? Hundreds. Then see ones place. We have to draw 3 beads. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3 beads. Tens place how many? Tens place also 3 beads. 1, 2, 3 beads. In hundreds place how many beads we have to draw? 2 beads. How many beads? We have to draw 2 beads. Okay. So see the number, write the number. In ones place 3. In tens place also 3. In hundreds place 2. So we got the number 233. 233. Let us try one another number on abacus. 489. Next we are writing 489. First you have to write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Then draw abacus and 3 spikes. Okay. Mark ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. And in ones place, how many beads? 9 beads you have to draw. 9. Ones place, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads. Then in tens place how many? 8 beads. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. In hundreds place how many? 4 beads. How many? 4 beads. Let us draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. This is not clear. I'll draw with green. 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. Then let us write the number. In ones place how many? 9. So we will write 9. In tens place how many? 8. So write 8. In hundreds place 4. So we got the number 489. So all of you do this page also. Today itself all of you do this page also. This is very easy. We already learned in second term, but this is 3-digit number. So you have to fill 3 spikes. Okay.